dark, but my love is a lantern shining up like coins in a fountain. Hope is a tree sitting on a mountain where the grass don't grow. There's a sad old sea, but my love is an island.
Wow! So many power line cords. You don't see that in Australia.
You do not see that in Australia. When you're walking down the street, it feels like you're in a movie set.
Why is that?
I don't know, I've never been to a place like this, so like, the only time I've ever seen it is on like a movie set.
Yeah.
And so then you realise it's actually exactly what that looks like in a movie when you walk down the street. It's cool. I like it.
Look how cheap the beer is. 50 cents. That's crazy. We're gonna get drunk on beer. Okay. We only had 4 short days in Siem Reap, so we really had to cram quite a lot into this 4 days. So our first point of call was to check out the old market in the city of Siem Reap. Fresh juice on the street. Can't beat that.
So good.
I feel really guilty drinking juice and eating nice food when I see people like this on the road. Skinny and don't have proper clothing, and it just makes me feel really sad. Our drive has now taken us to this sunset viewing area because we wanted to find somewhere cool to get a nice view and catch the sunset. So, I'm not sure the name, but I'll find out and I'll let you know. I was just saying to Sam, it's kind of sad that people are allowed to go and stand on the temple like this. See? Because it kind of like ruins it and like erodes it over time, I guess. It would have been much nicer if people weren't allowed. But can you imagine it though, if it hadn't allowed people on it? It'd be beautiful right now. We're supposed to get panoramic views of Siem Reap, and this is the lineup, the sunset viewing. Isn't that mental? Who would even want to wait in the line that long? I'm just sitting here waiting for my time lapse to finish, and I sort of had this thought, like, I wish there was like someone around that could tell you about this place, or if there was like signs. It's like lots of old ruins now, and it'd just be kind of cool to know what it used to be before tourists came and overpopulated the area and walked all over it, I guess. That line has died down completely that I showed you earlier, and the security guard just let us know that we could head up now and have a look. The sun has gone past down the horizon. You know, it's below the horizon now, it's gone down. And hopefully we'll be able to catch a few colours up there. The next day we organised a motorbike tour because we wanted to get out and explore Siem Reap. So this morning we're off on a motorbike tour. We paid about $70 for this tour, and it takes you up into the mountains, and Sam and I get to ride our own motorbikes. We really enjoy this way of seeing Siem Reap. You could stop off whenever you wanted to take photos. We got to go into local villages and meet people, see how they live. We found that fascinating because it's really different to our everyday life in Australia. We just stopped off at a monk pagoda, and it was beautiful, so stunning, all the paintings in there, and Sam and I just fell in love with it. Now we're heading off to a local market out in the countryside here, see what it looks like and grab some food.
You've got this line like here between your... Look, she's got a monobrow.
Far out.
It's hilarious.
So bumpy.
Look at how dusty Ella is. Alright, let's go close up.
Oh, really? So much dust. Sam and I are heading to this temple called Angkor Wat this morning to watch the sunrise over it. It's like one of the most well-known things to do here in Siem Reap, and it's also the most famous temple here in Siem Reap, so we're going to be doing that. And realistically, all I want to be doing right now is getting back in here. It's freezing this morning. Can't believe it. It's windy on the tuk-tuk, so it's kind of cold, that's why. We captured some pretty awesome footage of Angkor Wat, and rather than making this video 30 minutes long, we've actually made it into a second video. So if you want to see the footage from that, click on the description box and you'll be able to find a link to that below.
You killed the light on my soul. It's all about love.
Really shocked by the amount of people that have been here this morning. Like, I knew that there'd be quite a few people, but there were hundreds of people, and they were just taking so many selfies and so many photos of the same thing. It just really blew my mind that so many people congregate to one area for one purpose. It's pretty amazing, really, and kind of funny to watch because so many people just like snapping away on their phones. There's quite a few like structural scaffolding around the place. Like, I don't know whether it's holding it up or if they're fixing the temple. It's hard to tell, but there's quite a few of them around.
Wherever I am, wherever you are, you killed the light on my soul. It's all about love.
It's very hot right now. We're walking around in the middle of the day, and we're hoping that there'll be less people here.
We can build a tree house in the pine trees.
Most of the doors have some sort of carvings around them. It's so cool.
Wildflowers crash between your fingers, clinging to the wild.
That would have been a massive tree. They've chopped off the top of it here. There's a bit of it left over all around here.
Compass point you anywhere closer to me. If we make it out.
It is our last night in Siem Reap, and so we're heading out to the famous pub street to have some dinner, maybe a few drinks. And yeah, I thought I'd quickly show you guys around so you can get a quick look at the popular pub street. First up on the menu we have, surprise surprise, spring rolls. We've had this pretty much every single night since we've been in Cambodia.
Oh, I got a cricket in my hair.
We just found a van that sells spiders as a cuisine. Is it ticklish? Let's go buy them a bag of fish food or something.
They're not going to feed them though.
I'll feed them secretly. Oh my gosh, that's the weirdest feeling. It is our last day in Siem Reap. We are minutes away from catching our minibus down to Phnom Penh. It's a 6-hour drive. It's going to be absolutely hectic, but it'll be all worth it once we arrive there. Oh, nice bum shot, Sam.
Hello. I like that.
And yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed our time here in Siem Reap, and hopefully you'll stick around for our adventures in Phnom Penh. See you soon. Bye.
Every day, every word that I say, lip service. I'm okay, I'll deny what's beneath the surface.